Hope you are doing great. Myself, Gayathry, and I am from K. Karman Center School. Today, I am going to teach you about operations of integers. Before moving to our topic, let me ask you a question. What are integers? Let me say. Integers are a set of numbers that include all the natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. and their negatives like -1, -2, -3 and so on. Integers also include positive and negative integers and 0. For better understanding, let me give you some examples. Natural numbers. The numbers that starts from 1 and goes on infinitely like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. But in case of whole numbers, here it contains natural numbers along with 0. So natural numbers contains numbers that starts from 1 and go on, and whole numbers contains natural numbers along. Always remember, 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. So all the whole numbers, natural numbers, negative integers, positive integers and 0 form integers. Hope you have got an idea of integers. So now let's move on to our topic, operations. So now let's start with addition. When the addends have the same sign, add both the integers and after getting the sum, put the same symbol. For example, a positive 5 plus positive 8 is equal to positive 30. Here we can see the three integers are having one sign, that is positive. And here it also can be applied in negative integers in case of negative integers. Example, -20 plus -30 is equal to -50. Here also all the three integers are having, including the sum, are having negative negative symbol. So in case if the addends are having different symbols, you should subtract it and use the sign of the greater integer. For example, -6 plus +4 is equal to -2. Here 4 is subtracted from 6, so we get 2 and add the sign of the greater integer which is 6. So the answer will be -2. Another example, +45 plus -10 is equal to, yes, it is +35. So when addends have the same sign, use that sign when you write the sum. And when addends have different signs, subtract, use the sign of the greater addend. So in case of subtraction, to subtract an integer, add its opposite. For example, the opposite of 12 is -12. Let me give you some examples. +4 minus 12 is equal to 4 plus -12 is equal to -8. Here, +12 has changed to -12. That means to subtract an integer, add its opposite, and the opposite of 12 is -12. Another example, 9 minus -12 is equal to 9 plus +12 is equal to 21. Here, -12 had changed to +12. So, let's look another example. The opposite of -15 is 15. So 1 minus -15 is equal to 1 plus 15. The symbol had changed and the answer will be 16 because it's normal. And next, -20 minus -15 is equal to -20 plus 15 is equal to -5. Here also the negative symbol had changed to positive. So I hope both addition and subtraction are clear to you. Let's move on to multiplication. When the factors are having the same sign, the answer will definitely be a positive. For example, +5 into 6 is equal to, yes, it is positive 30. And what will be in the case of negative? The same rule will be applied. For example, negative 30 into negative 3 is equal to positive 39. And what if the factors are having different sign? Yes, the answer will be negative. For example, negative 6 into positive 8, here the two integers are having different symbols. Answer will be negative 48. And one more example, positive 9 into negative 11 is equal to negative 99. So I'll say it one more time. When factors have the same sign, the product is positive, and when the factors are having different sign, the product is negative. So now it is division. When the dividend and the divisor are having the same sign, the answer will be positive. For example, 45, positive 45 divided by positive 9 is equal to positive 5. And in case of negative, the same rule will be applied, that is negative 120 divided by negative 6 is equal to positive 20. And what if the dividend and the divisor are having the different sign? Yes, the answer will be negative. Let's look some example, that is 35 divided by, positive 35 divided by negative 5 is equal to negative 7. And one more example, negative 250 divided by positive 10 is also negative 25. So let me explain one more time. When the dividend and the divisor have the same sign, the quotient is positive. And when the dividend and the divisor have different signs, the quotient is. That's all about operations of integers. Hope you all have a clear idea of what integers are and its operations. Thank you.